Exercise 4-6, Computing the Current Ratio. Use the information in the following adjusted trial balance for the Wilson Trucking Company. So they want you to put together a current ratio, which would be current assets divided by current liabilities. And so for this problem, when you look through this adjusted trial balance, here are your current assets. Cash, $6,800, accounts receivable, $16,500, and office supplies, $2,000. These are assets that you are going to use up within 1 year. That's basically the definition of current assets. Truck is an asset, but it's not a current asset because you usually wouldn't use it up within a year, and neither is land. Also, current liabilities. These are liabilities that you would be using up within 1 year, and they would, in this problem, be accounts payable, $10,800, and interest payable, $3,000. The long-term note is a liability, but it's not a current liability. So, when you add all this up, your cash, accounts receivable, and office supplies, that comes out to looks like 25.3. Your current liabilities are the accounts payable and interest payable, and that would be 13.8. You divide the current liabilities into the current assets, and the current ratio for this Wilson Trucking Company is 1.83. And that means for every dollar this company has in current liabilities, they have $1.83 in current assets. And the general rule of thumb is that it should be about 2 to 1, current assets to current liabilities. Part 2 of this problem. Compare Wilson's current ratio with the industry average. Well, if the industry average for this kind of company is 1.5 and Wilson is 1.83, then Wilson's current ratio is above the industry average. And then here's our calculations one more time. The current assets, again, were made up of cash, accounts receivable, and office supplies to be 25.3. And the current liabilities were accounts payable and interest payable of 13.8. And then there's the ratio calculated one more time, 1.83.